today.
And very sparkly. So we're gonna make something you can paint with on your face.
By the way, here's a little hint for you. And here's a mold for you, Sue.
You might have already guessed that we're making lipstick. And not just any lipstick, but Cinderella lipstick.
No way!
Yes way! So we should try to make it as beautiful as possible. What should I use to trim those excess edges? I got it! A clay stack will do the trick. Now it's going to look neat and uniform.
Oh, it's so shiny! Give it to me! I'll wear it as a vest.
We need this for the craft! There we go. I will slowly assemble our lipstick tube and make the whole thing look neat, of course. Doesn't it look perfect?
Well then, let's play catch!
Gotcha! I'm the best player of the season. Maybe I should consider a career in playing catch. Nah, I seem to be much better at making cool crafts. Especially with an awesome helper like you, Sammy.
Ow, you're making me blush, Susie.
Since our lipstick is Cinderella-style, we'd better emphasize that. So what do you think? Is there anything we should add, huh?
Well, it looks kind of boring. Oh, an idea! I'm going to be a fairy godmother, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo!
Oh, wow! This really does look like real magic. Now, to keep lips from getting dry from lipstick, I suggest making a lip balm. We're going to need a special mold.
Would a ring mold work?
Absolutely. First, let's start by making a jar for our lip balm. Done! And now for the balm itself. This shade of pink will suit everyone. Sammy, I need some more magic here.
Sure. Hey, where's my magic wand?
Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Excuse me, can we help you with something?
I have a ball tonight and I'm not ready. I need a miracle.
Yeah, right.
Oh, a miracle, you say? Let's see. I know. We're going to give you a makeover. You'll be the belle of the ball, I promise.
Yay!
Let's give this lipstick a try, too. Shall we?
Okay, here we go.
Wow, that looks so good on you.
Oh, we almost forgot about our craft. Sammy, it's your cue.
Fairy godmother magic, do your thing!
Yay, it looks great. And we're moving on. Now let's get to the eyes. What's an evening look without some eyeshadow? Personally, I prefer more natural shades. But when it comes to the ball, the brighter, the better. Don't you think so, Sammy?
I love shades as vibrant as myself! As you can see, I'm quite bright.
Yeah. You're one hard slime to miss, even in the dark. Let's make our craft hard to miss, too. Talking about colors, have you picked out the shades yet? Sammy? Can you not hear me?
You won't believe what I found at the end of the rainbow.
Whoa! So much for the pot of gold. But it is gold to us, right? Look at all these colors. Yum!
Prepare yourself. The shade I've chosen will blow your mind.
That tickles.
Our next craft is going to be mascara. There's nothing better to emphasize your long lashes. This craft is easy and fun. First, let's make the mascara tube. Now we can do the brush. Looks like I'm gonna need a pair of scissors.
Here you go. But be careful. The scissors are sharp.
That's true. So if you're making a craft with us, friends, you can ask an adult for help. And this is what you should get.
Ah, what a lovely smell this flower has. Hey, I think I found something to hold our craft together.
Great job. This is exactly what I need, Sammy. Oh, we nearly forgot about the other half of the mascara tube. I'll fill it with black mascara so there's enough for many balls ahead. Sammy, we need your magic again.
No problem. And 1, and 2, and 3. Hey, what? What happened? Why isn't it working?
Oh no! I think the magic's run out. I didn't think it was possible. What do we do now?
Well, maybe this will help.
Gold glitter? You're a real lifesaver, thank you! I'll have to hand paint it, but I like it even better that way. Sometimes it's nice to work with your hands instead of using magic. Done, now we can put it on your eyelashes.
Okay, please don't close your eyes. Nice and easy. One step at a time.
What a lovely makeup. Ow, I wish I'd had time to do my nails.
No worries, we'll get right on that. Let's make 2 nail polish colors for you to choose from. As you can see, the first one will be pink and shiny.
And the second one bright and red.
Whoa! That's a tough choice you're gonna have to make. Sammy, can you help me with this, please? We need to cut this into 2 pieces.
Of course, cutting clay is my second nature.
All right, I'll use the toothpicks again to put all the pieces together. And now a couple of finishing touches. There we go. It's time to make a pick. Which color do you like best?
I knew it. No one can resist the color pink.
Yay, I'm so beautiful.
Here's a riddle for you, friends. What craft are we going to make next? Well, I can say this will be something pink and crumbly. Any ideas, Sammy?
Are those eyeshadows? Oh no, wait. We already made the shadows. Come on, cut out already.
Not the eyeshadows, but you're very close. For this craft, we will need pink clay of 2 different shades of pink. Come on, you know the answer, I'm sure.
Oh, I get it! We're making blush! Yay!
You got it right. Well done. Now watch and learn. I'll show you a top secret technique for creating blush. First, we'll cut this thing into several pieces. Now we flip them over and put them back together. Like this. Did you get it? That's how easy and simple it is to make a beautiful mosaic for blush. But it's not only beautiful, it also allows us to blend the blush shades more evenly. Cool, right?
We made so many beauty products today. I'm exhausted.
Stay strong, Sammy. We've got to finish the makeover for our doll. Every doll deserves to have fun at the ball. Now we need a special brush.
I've got it all set up, Sue. Here you go.
Great, let's start with the brush handle. It needs to be a little thicker at one end. And this is where I'll trim the excess. Huh? Here are the bristles, check this out.
We can't leave it like this, can we? This texture will make it more realistic.
We shouldn't forget about the glitter. Now I'll put the 2 pieces with 2 toothpicks, and that's it. We can apply the blush.
Finally! I've waited for this for so long. It will make you look fresh and rested. Whoa! I mean, look at the difference.
I'm finally going to shine.
Not so fast, young lady. We won't let you go until you've got the most beautiful hair. And to make your hair look gorgeous, we need a good hairbrush, of course. I really like this shiny yellow.
Huh. This reminds me of my mount of unironed clothes.
We all have one, Sammy. Well, I sure do. The most important part of a hairbrush is its bristles. We can't do without it. And you already know how to make it. I'd better do it thoroughly. Otherwise, gorgeous hair is out of the question. All right, what do you think, Sammy?
It shines, but does it shine enough? That's better.
I promised you the most gorgeous hair, didn't I? Here you go.
Whoa! Thanks, Sam and Sue. I couldn't have done it without you guys.
I think we did a great job today. High five!
Oh, yeah!
Thanks for being with us today, fellas. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything.
Right, see you in our next video!